Upon receiving the Alform system formwork at the construction site, all pallets are unloaded and stored by code, size, and designated area where possible. An Alform representative, together with client, will sign off on the material received. To maximize the repetitive nature of Alform system formwork installation, construction cycles are typically divided into 4 sections. Day 1, Section 1. Rebar fixed after setting out lines are properly marked. Day 2. Rebar fixed on Section 2, while Section 1, assembly of formwork commences. An approved form oil is applied to the contact surface of the formwork, including side rails, to avoid concrete sticking on the panels. Formwork assembly can begin at wall end or a corner, depending on type of project. Ensure the slab is level before assembling the formwork. Flat wall ties and panels are secured using a pin and wedge system for ease in assembly and rapid construction. Alform system formwork is specifically designed to form multiple types of wall design to suit all architectural features within the structural integrity of the building design. Assembly of panels on opening areas, windows and doors will take place, starting with beam support assembly and beam panels. Cover plates secure and seal door and windows. Staircases are assembled, starting with the lower wall panels, slab panels and props, upper wall panels, side stringers, and stair riser covers. Moving on to slab formwork assembly, support beams are secured with prop head using link bars and 132mm pins. Slab panels are then fitted to complete ceiling and upper floor base. Day 3. Rebar on Section 3. Formwork assembly on Section 2. While slab rebar and M&E are fixed on Section 1. Day 4. All trades move to the next section, while concrete pouring commences on Section 1. Vertical formwork are removed 12 hours after completion of concreting. Slab and horizontal formwork are removed after 36 hours, while the props remain in position. All panels are cleaned and stored properly for use in the subsequent sections. Alform System Rapid Construction Work Cycle, enhancing aluminium formwork possibilities.